Hi, good morning. From Athens, actually, not Dubai.
Athens, sorry.
Almost as hot. So, good morning, everyone. I'm Alex Fotakidis. I'm a partner and head of CVC Greece. I've been with CVC for just under 18 years. For those of you who don't know CVC, we're a global private equity and investment firm. We have around 130 billion euros of asset under management, 25 offices around the world, one of them here in Athens, Greece, strong European heritage as an investor, but now with a global network. And on behalf of CVC, I've been looking at Greece and Cyprus since 2016-17. We started investing in the region back then. And as of 2018, we've been visiting Cyprus and looking at investment opportunities. Today, we have a portfolio of 5 businesses where we've invested around 1.5 billion euro of equity. And that's across healthcare, e-commerce, food and beverage, insurance, and energy transition. And in the case of the first 4, that includes investments in Cyprus. So in healthcare, we own private hospitals and diagnostics in Cyprus. Our e-commerce business, Scrooge, is expanding in Cyprus. In the food and beverage space, we have operations in Cyprus. Dodoni, one of the leading halloumi producers, and obviously one of the leading export products out of Cyprus. And in the insurance space, Ethnic Insurance is part of our insurance group. And one of the leading life and non-life insurance players in Cyprus. So we've been quite active in the last 3 or 4 years investing in Greece and Cyprus. And you may want to ask why that is. There's a few reasons. I think what we've always liked about Cyprus, when you look at the macro, we see a healthy economy. We look at the GDP progression, when we look at consumption, supported by, I would say, a legal and tax structure that is clear. I think politically, especially after the recent elections, we have clarity and stability in that respect. And although it is a small economy, we do see it as a growing part of the European Union. And for us, investing from Greece, it's an important market, and probably the most important market outside of Greece in that respect. And I think that when we think about the European Union and we think about where Cyprus is located, and Cyprus also being part of the Eurozone, I think it is strategically located in a very interesting position and can play a leading role regionally, whether you look at north, south, west, east. And for us, that's quite important. And as we think about expanding our investments in Cyprus and expanding in other sectors outside of the 4 that we've already invested in, for example, energy transition, which is one of the sectors we've invested in Greece. We haven't yet invested in Cyprus, but that's an area of focus for us. And I think that underpinning all of this, what we've always liked since we've been engaged and been active in Cyprus is the human capital that the country has. And I think it helps that we have a lot of people from Cyprus who are educated and have worked abroad and have come back. But I think the quality of the human capital is excellent, and it's enabled us to make investments, to build teams there. And I do think it's also going to be an area in the services space in particular, where I think Cyprus has one of the leading positions from a European perspective. So overall, I think we're excited about the prospects of the country when we look at the macro, when we look at the political, and some of the micro trends as well. And we will continue investing in Cyprus, both through our portfolio companies in Greece, but also directly.